Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Substack completely private, so only the people you approve can access your posts. Let's get started. First, log into your Substack account. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile picture, then select Settings. This will open the main page where you can manage all aspects of your publication. Scroll down until you find the Privacy section. Here you'll see an option called Private Mode. To make your Substack private, simply toggle this option on. Once Private Mode is enabled, your publication will no longer be publicly accessible. Anyone who visits your Substack will see a message saying that the publication is private and will be asked to request access by entering their email address. Whenever someone sends an access request, Substack will notify you through email. You can manage all these requests by going to the Subscribers section in your dashboard, where you can review, approve, or deny each request based on your preferences. This gives you full control over who is allowed to read your content. Just keep in mind that even though your Substack is private, email posts sent to approved subscribers can still be forwarded by them. Once everything is set up, your Substack will operate in a closed, invitation-only format. And that's it. That's how you can make your Substack private in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.